Umdeni will be returning for its fifth season. The Maseko Slay Queens are back. Drama is too much. Drama is galore in the house of Umaseko. Uyaisusa. Season 5. Nkanyezi is going to confess to Baba Maseko that the child that she was pregnant with was not for Maseko. And then the sister wives are going to kick her out. Afeja ututsarisha moya. Mujolo wa munyisa shem Nkanyezi. Aye. Anyway, Fezile Ariana kena slay queen sa Maseko. The next thing you know, usoriki COVID. Jiggy, she's out there doing some cleansing ceremony in the river. And then, tukwani yawa. Lefatla le kai. Lefatla le ring mo ngwaneng. So let's just gather here and talk about the hairline of our slay queen, Yaga Maseko. So I don't know if Kulube is coming back this season 5, or Kwaba Yiko Loko. Anyway, we can't wait for Umdeni season 5. Bye-bye.